Hello, everybody. It's Mitch. I'm back here with more Disney minifigs. We went to Toys R Us, and okay, there we go. And Lego said that they're able to, stores like Target and Toys R Us are able to put these out whenever they want. So today is April 28th. Okay, so they said it's supposed to be out in May, but they said it's up to stores when they want to put these out. So got a bunch of these to open up. So these are the Disney minifigs you can get. You can get Stitch, the Alien, Buzz Lightyear, Aladdin, the Genie, Maleficent, Mickey and Minnie Mouse, Donald and Daisy Duck, a Cheshire Cat, Alice in Wonderland, Mr. Incredible, Buddy, Peter Pan, Captain Hook, Ursula, Ariel. Oops, sorry. And here's what it looked like in the store when we got the packs.
I have the one. Okay. Can I give you 101.01? So I just put that.
So here we go. Okay, so it looks like we have the genie from Aladdin. So we'll put that together and I'll show you that in a second. Okay, so we put the genie from Aladdin together, and this is our second one, kind of a double. So there's our second one. All right, let's go and open up another one. And it looks like we have the alien from Toy Story. So let's go ahead and put him together. Okay, so here we go. Here is the alien from Toy Story. This is kind of the one we were hoping for. So we'll add him over there to our collection. And here we go with the next one. And looks like we have Alice from Alice in Wonderland. So we'll put that together and I'll be back. All right, so here we go. We have Alice from Alice in Wonderland. Pretty good. Got her big giant cup in her hand. And another one we were hoping for. So we'll add her there to our collection. All right, so here we go. We still have some more of these. Really looking for would love to get the Buzz Lightyear, would love to get Peter Pan or Stitch. Mickey Mouse would also be cool, so here we go. And from the looks of it, okay, so it looks like we have Buddy, the villain from The Incredibles. Let's go ahead and put them together. Okay, here we go. We have Buddy from The Incredibles with his remote in hand. Well, no, I wasn't hip on getting a villain, but we got a villain. And we have 2 packs left, so here we go. And we have another alien from Toy Story. All right, I'll put them together and we'll open up our last pack. All right, everybody, there's our second alien from Toy Story. And we have 1 pack left. So we're still hoping for the Peter Pan. We're hoping for a Buzz Lightyear or a Stitch. And here we go. got another alien from Toy Story. So there's our second of this busting out packs and our third overall. All right, everybody. Well, we'll continue to look for Peter Pan, Stitch, Buzz Lightyear in another video. All right, that's for now. We are out. Bye.